If you've seen my first water testing video, you know the results were puzzling. So I've decided to do another one, testing water from 3 very different water sources. And this video will also serve as a review of this particular water testing kit. I'm sure that people in or around Ohio are trying to find out on their own about the quality of their water, and hopefully this video will help you decide if you want to spend $30 on it. This kit only tests for 17 items, but there are a few heavy metals among them, so it's a start. My first water source is mineral water, for comparison, as there should not be any heavy metals in it. My second source is runoff water, which is basically rainwater coming here from the whole neighborhood together with trash, gasoline, car spills, or anything else that's on the streets. And as you can see, there is some nice film, sometimes colorful, on top of this water. So in this bottle with a purple cup, I have my runoff water. And my third source of water is water that's been sitting in a tire for several days. It's definitely different color. So I have all my water bottles. There is mineral water, there is runoff water, and there is tire water. Now I have to do the tests quite fast because as per instructions, the results are valid for only 60 seconds and I want to compare all 3 tests at the same time. I have 3 tests here, brand new tests, and I have my own chart written up on a piece of paper because it would be hard to compare 3 tests while the bottle is rolling off the table. So as the instructions say, I dip the strips for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and gently tap off the water. This is mineral water. The second one is runoff water, 1, 2, tap off the water. And the third one is tire water, 1, 2. And now here are the results. So as you can see, the main differences are in hydrogen sulfide, iron, copper, and alkalinity. And you can stop the video and you can ponder on the results. There is also one more difference. Lead, the runoff water, has the most of it. So comparing with the provided chart, I wish the chart was on a piece of paper. This first row is the lowest numbers of all the items. And it seems like everything is in the lower levels. Except for this hydrogen sulfide, which is somewhere a little above the lowest levels, and also iron is somewhere in the middle. Lead in runoff water is also not the lowest, but probably in the middle. And alkalinity is varies, is different. The tire water, there is 0 alkalinity, and mineral water, there is it's high. Well, I'm glad that I see some differences between the tests, because the previous test there was no differences between water from the fridge, filtered water from the fridge, and the water from the watering hole in the backyard. And also many reviews on Amazon say the same, that the results are the same no matter what kind of water is being tested. But I'll definitely not be using the runoff water to water my plants or to drink it in case of some disaster. And also the tire water has zero alkalinity, and according to the EPA standards reference sheet included in the test, low alkalinity is associated with acidic pH and corrosion. So you might want to take it into consideration if you are going to plant some food in your tires.